welcome to my kitchen. If you're new here, I'm Julia. I am a Dallas-based flight attendant. For today's video, I thought I would change things up. A lot of people are always asking me what I eat on the road, so I thought for today's video I would do a grocery haul and a meal prep video. I do not claim to be a chef or even a great cook, but I really do hope that you guys get something out of this video. Before I get into cooking, I want to show you guys this lunchbox. It's huge and it is the best lunchbox ever. This specific lunchbox is an eBag and I will put the link in the description box below. The lunchbox is super travel friendly. I can guarantee you it fits underneath the seat in front of you if you bring it on an airplane. It would be great to have in your office. It'd be great to carry snacks around for your kids. It's a very versatile lunchbox. So as you can see on my counter how large it is, especially compared to the toaster next to it. The front of the lunchbox has a zipper pouch that has two pouches on the inside of it. One is a zipper pouch and then you also sort of have this elastic mesh pouch right here. On the side of each lunchbox, there are these flaps that open up where you can fit even a full-sized water bottle. And on the top of the lunchbox, you have a zipper compartment. This is what the inside of the lunchbox looks like, and it actually has a zipper that goes all the way around so you can take this material out and clean it. This lunchbox is really portable, which is what's really nice. It has this long strap that attaches to both sides so that you can take it with you on the go. It's also removable if you do not want it. And what's great too is this back flap goes all the way through so that you can attach it to a suitcase if you'd like. The ingredients for this meal are super simple. I have chicken breast right here, and this is the seasoning that I use. I have just some corn, some steamed vegetables, and white rice. What I love about these vegetables is it only takes 5 minutes in the microwave, and this rice is super convenient because you just pop the cup into the microwave for 1 minute. I preheat my oven to 400 and then I'm going to bake the chicken breast for 20 minutes on one side, flip it, and bake it for another 20 minutes. From those ingredients, we now have 2 separate meals. Again, that is white rice, corn, vegetables, and chicken. And I pack these in 12-ounce reusable containers. Some of my favorite snacks to bring on trips are just Chewy bars and Nutri-Green bars. So the chicken, rice, and vegetables is usually what I pack and eat for dinner. And then for breakfast and lunch, I usually pack oatmeal, peanut butter, and bagels because they are simple, they're easy to travel with, and I know they won't upset my stomach. To make everything fit, I put 1 chicken and rice there. I have an ice block that I put on top of that, followed by another chicken and rice that I put on top with an ice pack on top of that. I also have some strawberries here, so I'll go ahead and put those right there. I'll stick a couple of bagels right in the side. I also always bring these Quaker oatmeal packets. Stick those right there. As another snack, I always bring this Quaker oatmeal squares honey nut cereal. I think it's really good to snack on. I also usually always bring a few apples. Then in the top flap of my lunchbox is where I'll have my Nutri-Grain bars and Chewy bars and some silverware. I love these little Jif to go peanut butter packets, and I'll always just stick them in the side pouch of my lunchbox. So as you all can see, you can fit a lot of stuff in this lunchbox. This is enough food to at least last me on a 2 or 3 day trip. Again, I highly suggest it, and if you are interested in purchasing it, you can find a link in the description box below. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave me a comment and subscribe to my channel so that you never miss my travel tips and adventures. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.